had an amazing creative idea, but then you opened up Photoshop or the software you use and felt completely lost? What if you could skip all of that? Skip the complicated software, skip the learning curve, and skip the cost of hiring a designer. In this video, I'm going to reveal the secret weapon that smart creators are starting to use. It's a powerful AI that acts as your personal photo editor, graphic designer, and video creator.
It could even become your personal ad agency for affiliate marketing.
All you have to do is tell it what you want using plain English. Stay with me because this is a game changer.
All right, let's get you set up. First, head to your app store and search for Roboneo. That's Roboneo. It's made by Meitu, so make sure you get the right one. I'll also drop direct links in the description. Once it's installed, open it up. The quickest way to get started is by logging in with your Google account. And here we are. This is your command center. No confusing menus, no overwhelming toolbars, just this simple chat window. This is where you will tell the AI exactly what to create.
Okay, we're about to dive into the first mind-blowing feature. But before we do, I want you to think of the one photo you've always wanted to fix or improve. Get that image in your head. Are you ready to see how this tool can do it in under 30 seconds? Let's go.
I'm starting with this portrait. It's okay, but let's make it look like it was shot by a professional. I'm typing a very specific prompt. Notice I'm not just saying, make it better. I'm asking it to keep the natural texture. This is key to avoiding that plastic look. And wow, look at that. The before and after is stunning. The skin is clear, the lighting is beautiful, and it still looks like a real person. But let's push it. I'm going to ask it to change the outfit. The prompt is simple. Change this person's t-shirt to a dark blue business blazer. The AI analyzes the pose and lighting to make it fit naturally. Incredible. To complete the transformation, we'll use a follow-up command. We don't need to re-upload anything. I'll just type, now change the background to a modern, slightly blurred office lobby. In less than a minute, we've gone from a simple photo to a polished, professional headshot.
Okay, stop for a moment and just look at that transformation. If a part of your brain just went, whoa, I need this, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It's the best way to give a virtual high five, and it tells the YouTube algorithm that this AI tool is something more people absolutely need to see. Just photo editing. We're about to move into creating professional graphics from scratch. But I'm genuinely curious, what's the one design task you hate doing the most? Is it making thumbnails, social media posts, logos? Pause this video for 5 seconds and drop your answer in the comments. I want to see if what I show you next is the solution you've been looking for.
I'm starting with a blank slate. My idea is a moody ad for a new coffee blend. Again, notice how specific my prompt is. I'm giving it the theme, the subject, the colors, and the feeling I want. And there it is. A beautiful, high-quality graphic ready to post. But the real power is in refining. I don't have to start over if I want to change something. I just tell it what to tweak. I'll ask it to change the text and add a promotional banner. Just like that, it updates the existing design. This conversational workflow is what makes this tool so incredibly fast and intuitive.
All right, the next feature is where this tool goes from being cool to being a potential business tool. For anyone doing affiliate marketing or thinking about starting with platforms like Amazon Associates, Temu, or ClickBank, pay very close attention. We're about to see how you can create simple, effective video ads for the products you promote without ever needing a camera or expensive part that can help get clicks on your affiliate links. Let's dive in.
I'm going to upload this one image of a sneaker. Now watch this. I'm asking for a complete video ad, specifying the platform, the style, the music, and the on-screen text. Let's play what it made. This is incredible. It took a single static image and created a full-blown, professional-looking video ad with music and motion. This would take hours in traditional video editing software.
You just witnessed an AI turn a single image into a full
And just
video
like that, you have a ready-to-post video ad. Do you see the power here? Imagine you find a cool kitchen gadget on Amazon, a popular piece of clothing on Temu, or a digital course on ClickBank. You grab your affiliate link, you post this exact kind of video to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest, and you let the AI-generated ad do the that simple to create the content.
This is the kind of technology that puts you miles ahead of the competition. And this is just one of the game-changing tools I'll be revealing on this channel. I have a list of AI that can write scripts, clone voices, and automate entire workflows. If you want the unfair advantage, this is your moment. Get these secrets before everyone else does. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It's not just about watching another video. It's your ticket to being the first to know about the tools that will define the future of content creation. You now know the basics, but I want you to use this tool like an expert. Here are 3 secret power moves to get 10 times better results. Be a director, not a client. Don't just say, make a poster. Direct the AI. Mention the theme, colors, mood, and specific text. The more detail you give, the closer the AI will get to your vision on the first try. 2. Use follow-up commands. Never accept the first result as final. Treat the AI as your assistant. Use follow-up prompts like, make the blue a bit something more modern, or move the logo to the top left. This is how you truly perfect your creation. 3. The quality in, quality out rule. If you upload a blurry, low-resolution photo, the AI will struggle. For the absolute best results, always start with the highest quality images you have available. A sharp input leads to a sharp output.
And now for a special power move, specifically for my affiliate marketers. Let's call this tip number 4, the affiliate ad engine. When you pick a product from a site like Amazon, don't just use the boring stock photos they give everyone. Use this tool to place that product in a new, exciting background. Then generate a short, punchy video ad for it, just like we did. You can create 5 different versions in 10 minutes. Which one performs best on platforms like Pinterest or TikTok? This is how you stand out from all the other affiliates who are promoting the exact same product with the exact same boring images.
The secret is out. You have the tool and you have the expert tips. The only thing left to do is create. The link is waiting for you at the top of the description. Now, for the most important part of this entire video, I want you to go back to the comment you left earlier, find it, and reply to it with solved if this tool can fix that problem for you. And if you haven't commented yet, now's your chance.
Of all the features you saw, which one is the most exciting for you? The photo retouching, the poster design, or the video ads? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Now start creating.